Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this Valentine's Day look right here. So if you guys are interested on how I completed this look, just keep on watching. So I'm gonna be using the Anastasia carlibel palette, and I am just taking this pink reddish color right here and just placing that on top of the crease. So next I'm using the Anastasia jackieaina palette, and I'm just taking this red shimmer shadow and just placing that on all over the lids. For glitter, I'm using the Golden Paradise glitter in the shade Heartbreaker. I'm just going to be packing that all over the lids. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Beauty Creation Flawless Stay in the shade FS 7.0, and this foundation I really love it because it's super full coverage, and you know I have dry skin and it really does make my face glow. So you guys definitely need to get your hands on this foundation because I really recommend it. To conceal, I'm using the Too Faced Multi Sculpting Concealer in the shade Warm Beige. Now I'm going to be using the palette from the carlibel, and I'm using that pink shadow right there and just placing that onto the bottom lashes. To bronze, I'm using the themakeupshack Silhouetted Contour Palette.
Got another new day, still I'm feeling misplaced. I keep going down, down, down. Too many years going by.
For lipstick, I'm using the NYX liquid lipstick in the shade Bedtime. To highlight, I'm going to be using the Anastasia X Amrezy highlighter. So this is the complete look right here. I hope you guys really liked it, and let me know what other types of video you guys want me to do. But I'll see you guys next time on my next video.